Happy Tuesday! I hope you had a great weekend. I am here with Murphy. Look at this, and I am going to, Murphy, say hi. We usually get Charlie, but Murphy's in on the shot today. He wants his turn. We are going to read a brand new book, and this book is called Sloth Wasn't Sleepy. It's written by Kate Messner, and it's published by Sounds True, and we want to thank both of them for allowing us to read this book to you today. So let's find out what happens because Sloth isn't sleepy. And very first thing, when we open this, you know we've got great end pages. Look at that. Do you know what those are? Those are lightning bugs or fireflies. Let's get started. And this book has beautiful illustrations. Do you see the jaguar? Let's find out what this is all about. Sloth wasn't sleepy. One night at bedtime, Sloth wasn't sleepy. In fact, she was the opposite of sleepy, worked up and worried and wide awake. Close your eyes and rest, her mama said. Does that ever happen to you? When you can't fall asleep? Does that ever happen? What do you do? But when Sloth closed her eyes, her mind swirled with worries, slithering snakes and sharp-taloned eagles and jaguars that prowl at night. Oh, that's a lot of worries, isn't it? Do you like snakes? I do not like snakes at all. You can hear me scream. You can also hear Ben scream. Sloth opened her eyes. She was wider awake than ever. Let's not sleep quite yet, her mother said. We'll listen to the trees instead. Let's listen to the trees. Sloth cuddled into her mama and listened. Shh, rush, went the trees in the wind. Shh, rush, shh, rush. Can you feel the wind in your fur? Sloth grew still and felt the wind. Shh, rush. It whispered and ruffled her fur. Can you feel that, Ben? Can you feel the wind? It's not really windy today, is it? Can you imagine that? Sometimes, Mama said, I like to pretend I'm a tree, drinking up breath from my roots to my crown, from my toes to the top of my head. Would you like to try that too? Sloth nodded, but she didn't feel like a tree. Do you want to try it? Do you want to try it? Do you want to see if you can feel like a tree? Close your eyes, Mama said. Now breathe in and count to 4, and then breathe out for just as long. Sloth closed her eyes. She counted a long, steady breath. All right, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did that feel? In all the way to the tip top of her head and out, all the way down to her toes. Did you feel that? Do you want to try it again? It made her feel quiet. She did it again. See? Shh, rush, shh, rush, went the trees. All right, let's try it again. Let's see it. Feel it from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Okay, let's do it. Everybody close your eyes and take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know about you, but I feel pretty relaxed. Ben, are you trying it too? Don't get so relaxed that you stop recording. Are you tired now, Mom asked. A little, said Sloth, but what if I worry when I try to fall asleep? Ah, said Mama, I forgot all about the worries. We will have to let them go. Sloth didn't know how to do that, but Mama said, close your eyes again. Imagine one of your worries. Sloth imagined a fierce growling jaguar. It was terrifying. Oh my goodness. Is there something you're scared of? Can you imagine it? We're gonna let it go. Let's see what Mama says to do. Now, lay that worry gently on a leaf and set it free. Let it go way above the clouds until you can't see it anymore. So can you put your worry on a cloud? Let it go. Just like Sloth is. Look at that, it's floating away. So long, Jaguar. Do you have any other worries, Mama asked? Sloth did. One by one, she shrank them down and set them free. So long, sharp-taloned eagle. So long, slithering snake. She's letting go of all those things that worry her. When the last worry had disappeared, Sloth took the slowest, deepest breath of all. She filled herself up from the tips of her toes to the very top of her head, and then slowly let it go. That feels really good when you try that. What do you think? You're gonna have to let me know if that works on our Instagram page. She felt the cool, smooth bark of the cecropia tree under her paws. Whoosh, 2, 3, 4. Whoosh, 2, 3, 4. She felt the warm breeze in her fur. Whoosh, 2, 3, 4. Whoosh, 2, 3. Shh, rush. Shh, rush went the trees. Good night, Sloth, Mama whispered. And Sloth is sound asleep. And guess what? Murphy's over there breathing, and I think he's going to be asleep soon. Sloth didn't answer. She was fast asleep. The end. With some more beautiful end pages with those lightning bugs or fireflies. The end. So I would love to know what you think about this story. So definitely let us know on our Instagram page. And tomorrow, which is Wednesday at 3 o'clock, we have a special yoga presentation at the library. We're going to do a live watch party of yoga. But the first 10 of you who come in will get a free yoga kit, and then we can all practice it together. So I hope we see you in to pick up one of your free yoga kits. And next week we have pool themed stories. So I really hope you tune in on Thursday. I hope you tune in all next week. And more importantly, I hope to see you in the library on Wednesday. Bye for now. Good night, Sloth.